Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Setiaji. I am a student of Mathematics Education, Universitas Negeri Semarang, 2018. In this video, I am going to solve the problem in BARTLE book on page 31, number 11. In this number, there are two problems. First, show that if a greater than 0, then 1 over a greater than 0, and 1 over a equals a. And the second is, show that if a less than b, then a less than 1 over a times a plus b less than b. First, we will solve the first problem. We will show that if a greater than 0, then 1 over a greater than 0, and 1 over a equals a. Suppose a greater than 0, then by trichotomy property, a not equal 0, so 1 over a exists. If 1 over a equals 0, then 1 equal a times 1 over a. Since we let 1 over a equal 0, then the result is a times 0 equals 0. This is contradict with M3, which says there exists an element 1 in R distinct from 0 such that 1 times a equals a and a times 1 equals a for all a in R. Next, if 1 over a less than 0, then we have 1 equals a times 1 over a less than 0. By theorem 2.1.7c, this is contradict with 1 greater than 0. Therefore, we get 1 over a greater than 0. Next, 1 over a times 1 over a equals 1. So, we have a equals 1 over a because the multiplicative inverse is unique. This is based on theorem 2.1.3. Thus, we can conclude that if a greater than 0, then 1 over a greater than 0 and 1 over a equals a. Next, we will show that if a less than b, then a less than 1 over 2 times a plus b less than b. Suppose a less than b, then we know that 2a equals a plus a less than a plus b. And then if we add a by b, we get a plus b less than b plus b equals to b. Then multiply the two inequalities by 1 over 2. Using theorem 2.1.7c and 2 greater than 0, then 1 over 2 greater than 0, we have a less than 1 over 2 times a plus b, and the second inequalities will be 1 over 2 times a plus b less than b. Thus, we can conclude that a less than 1 over 2 times a plus b less than b. Okay, that's all for me. If there are many mistakes, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.